Alright, so here we have it, the actual system itself. What we're going to do in this part of the video now is we're actually going to put it together. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it together and take it apart. And then we're going to do a quick test as well with regards to how well it does picking up some of the tinsel around the floor. So we left tinsel here purposely. And then we did that because obviously tinsel's not always the easiest to get up. And it's the only thing I had kind of, around now. So what we're going to do is actually going to put the system together. So Velvet's going to put the system together now as the main unit. So we're going to take the main unit itself, the actual vacuum. We'll take the plastic off there. So again, this is what you'll do when you first get it. We'll just chuck that off to the side. And we'll now connect the main tubing. And this is the first time she's doing this, so trying to see how easy it is to actually connect it. So you can see that's actually connected there. And now what we'll do is actually connect the main brush head, the electric brush head at the bottom here. And again, just see how easy it actually is. And it's pretty much just lining them up and job done. So if you want to just show us what it looks like all connected there, please, Mahalka. Got a bit of plastic on there as well. Yeah. Yay, happy days. Oh. And that's what the actual device looks like. Is the main one, all connected. So what we're going to do now is actually going to show you how easy it is to actually put it back down. So if you want to show us again, Mahal, how you actually disconnect it. Okay, I'm not going to tell her what to do on this one. If you want to show us on the camera though, Mahal, so we can see what you're doing, please. There? Yeah, there we go. There you go. So there's like a little button. You just press it and it'll actually pop off. And we'll try this one as well. Oh.
Oops. It just popped
there you go. Don't look like it was connected properly. So again, a little button here and job done. See how easy that one was? Super, super simple. So if you want to try and connect some of the other parts, try and connect like the little mattress brush. So this is the one you'll stick on there. If you want to clean your mattresses, you'll just directly connect it like that. And then boom, you'll be able to go nice and easy just on your mattress itself. I think it's like a little guard on that one. So we'll take that off in a little bit. We'll leave it on there for now. Let's also try and connect the little flexible hose. See again. See how easy they are to take on and off. That sounded pretty straightforward. Straight on there. And again, that kind of extends as that one. And last but not least, let's try the other little brush. It's just one here. There you go. The brush. There you go. And boom. As you can hear, when it, you can probably hear that when it connects, it goes. It properly like connects into there. So that's pretty nice and easy. So what we're going to do now is actually going to move some of this stuff out of the way. And we're going to show you what it's like with regards to picking stuff up on the floor. So we'll be right back and yeah, stay tuned. Oh, and really quickly, we're just going to show you this one in regards to the little mop kind of brush things here. This connects to the bottom of the electric brush. So if you want to show them connecting to that one, Mahal, it's like a little magnet in there. And it just, you basically just stick it on. And that's it, it stays on there. So when you're brushing, let's say you're in your, on some kind of a hardwood floor, you can be brushing and then you can actually mopping at the same time, which I think is pretty cool. So you just wet that a little bit, so it'll just kind of, as you're picking up the dust, you can do a little mop at the same time. And that's pretty decent. So you can see there's actually another roller head there as well. I need to actually find out what that's for. So I'm actually going to read the instructions. I think that's going to go inside there. And I think that might be the one you use when using the actual one for the, like a hardwood floor. Because obviously you don't want to be sticking those kind of like rubberized brushes on a hardwood floor. For a carpet, this is the one you're going to want to use. But for like a hardwood floor, you want to use the other brush roller there as well. So anyway, we're going to put it together. And again, I'm going to show you that little video now. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the actual whole vacuum itself just set up in its normal configuration. And you can see there's little bits of tinsel just all dotted around the floor. Sorry for the little light strip there, not much you could do about it. So what we're going to do now is, it's got 3 different levels of suction. So Velvet's going to turn it on to the first one for us now. So what you do is just tap and hold the button. Now hopefully you can keep hearing me. If not, I'll have to do a little video voiceover of this. And if she wants to start vacuuming, if Velvet wants us to turn it off. So as you can see there, on the first pass, it seemed to get most of it. Kind of show you a little bit. A little bit it didn't get. So what we're going to do, I'm going to turn it on to its maximum performance. And I'm going to do like a little montage here. I'm going to put some music over the top of it. And I'm just going to get it to vacuum the most of the living room you can kind of see here on the floor. On the full one. And we'll just show you, regards to, as you can see in there, that's what it's like now. And we'll see what it looks like once we've done like a full pass of just the majority of the living room. So stay tuned and enjoy the music. Right, so that looks like we've done the full pass on there. Now, obviously, we've not gone into all the little nitty bitty corners, but we've done majority of the actual, just the main space of the living room. So we're going to show you how much it's actually picked up now. So you can probably see in there, I see quite a lot of dust in there as well. Damn. Yeah, I don't want to be putting that back out on the carpet. But if ever wants to just unhook it so we can try and see inside there. So there's like a little button at the bottom of it. You press that button, it just presses off. There we go. So if we have a quick look in here, I think this just pops off the top as well. So just have a quick look for 2 seconds, guys. Right, so we've worked out how to actually undo it. It just really straightforward, just kind of screws off. And look at all that. Loads and loads of crap there. So what do you reckon to that, Mahal?
Really good vacuum is this.
Yeah?
Like, look at all them dust.
So Belvic uses a Dyson, the Dyson stick ones. I think it's the V7 or maybe a V8, I'm not too sure. One of the little animal ones. So what do you reckon? So we'll ask Belvic now. She didn't know we were going to do this. What do you reckon up to the Dyson? Is it as good? Is it not as good? Better? What would you say is just on the quick first impressions?
My first impression is really good. This vacuum is really, really good.
So it's doing a good job.
And I'm quite surprised with them dust. Like it.
Quite a lot of dust there, isn't there? There's a lot more dust than I expected, to be fair. If you look in the filter, yeah, look. There's a lot more dust in there than I expected. And it just pulls off. That's actually pretty cool. So, yeah. So that's basically the main usage of the actual vacuum itself is going to be in its main configuration with regards to the electric brush head with its main kind of like stick and then obviously the actual power unit itself. And again, you can do this for your mattress. If there's enough popularity and people want to see it, we can do the mattress video. We'll do the mop and stuff like that. This is just going to be a basic how you put it together. And again, very straightforward. So I'm just going to show, Velvet's going to show how to put it all back together now. If she can actually connect up the lines. So if you look at it, I think there's like this part here goes to the back. Just this part here like that.
Oh, here we go.
There we go.
Sorry.
Look at that. There we go. The man of the house. So if you want to connect it back to the actual unit itself there, please, Mahal.
Yeah.
And we'll see how easy this is to connect to that. So if you can try and show us at the same time. Yeah. And there we go. It just clips back into position.
Click.
And that click, yeah, as she said, that click there just makes it just kind of solidifies it, how, you know, how good it is. So yeah, I'm actually kind of impressed with that. That's pretty damn cool. But again, you've got your crevice tool. Let's be honest, you all know how to use a crevice tool. You all know how to use everything else. Everything is all straightforward. This part of the video is just to kind of show you how easy it is to actually plug them in. What it actually performs like on a daily basis, because this is the kind of daily basis carpet you're going to be doing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, again, she didn't know we're going to do this. What would you give it just on initial impressions on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give it a 9.
A 9. So she's gone set the bar very high there. But again, we do use a Dyson on a regular basis. And it's not a cheap, crappy Dyson. Obviously, they're pretty expensive. Now, if you want to check this out, there is a link down below to go pick one up. And again, I want to say thank you to, I'm going to say RoidMi, but I know it's not, it's like RoidMi. For the X20 system. We're going to be using it in our household going forward. We're going to probably use one upstairs, one downstairs, but I've got a feeling we're going to probably end up just using one of them. And I've got a feeling it might be this one, but we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, people, if you've got any questions regarding this or anything else, you can hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go on, it's completely free. And go on, hit like. You know you want to. Anyway, I want to say thanks for watching. And again, any questions regarding this or anything else, I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all at samjpullen. And yeah, thanks for watching, and you'll see me in my next video. Cheers, everyone. Do you want to say bye, Mahal?